Thank you everyone that you are here, and thanks to this technology that we are staying together by staying apart. So thank you so much. And it is really a great moment for me that I'm launching my first book. और सबसे पहले मैं सबको बोलना चाहती हूँ आपका appreciation, your blessings, and when I had launched my when I have pre-launched my book, उस समय जो आपके blessings मिले, and the many of you have purchased my book. मतलब एक trust is high ratio. Trust is the different thing that you are trusting me, because being a first time author, it is too difficult to launch any book, to complete the book. So I have completed this journey just only because of by the like God's grace and with the support of my husband and my daughter too. Although she is 4 years old, लेकिन फिर भी वो मुझे बार-बार बोलती थी अगर मैं किसी संडे को रेस्ट ले रही हूँ तो कि Mom, go and write your book. Have you completed your book? So it is really a proud moment कि एक बेबी या फिर आप लोग सबका सपोर्ट रहा. तो this is my book, Wing Your Business. First of all, I would like to let you know all about this book. थोड़ा सा brief में देती हूँ, because this book is all about the business. ये book जो है help करने वाला है to the young entrepreneurs and the budding entrepreneurs. One second, हाँ मैं बीच बीच में थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लूंगी क्योंकि मुझे ज्वाइन करना है जो भी वेटिंग लिस्ट में आ रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर मैसेज. Hi Vidya ma'am, thank you so much. We have already started, so I'll continue. Okay, Vidya ma'am, she is joining from the hospital. She is a dialysis expert and helping all the COVID patients. Thank you so much कि आप वहाँ से मुझे टाइम दे रही हैं. This book is going to help the young entrepreneurs, or I can say the budding entrepreneur, like what are the challenges we faces. Because being an entrepreneur, I have experienced many challenges because I'm not different from other people. So that's why this thought have come in my mind that I should pen down those challenges or how to overcome those challenges. So there are different attributes I have put in this book so that it can help to the people who are facing any difficulties, or if not any difficulties, if they have to start any company or if they have already started, so how to make it successful. So that's what I have put in this book. Someone is joining, but to admit so it is really, I am blessed कि मैं surrounded हूँ आप लोग like minded people से that are supporting me in everything. मुझे कभी भी बहुत बार हुआ है, मैंने बहुत लोगों से बात की है कि कुछ स्टार्ट करते they always get discouragement from others. So that I have never experienced. So it is really blessing कि मैं मुझे आप लोगों का साथ या फिर आप लोगों के जो one announcement I want to let you know, though I have decided कि जो भी amount हमारा first 100 copies से आने वाला है, I'm going to donate it to the C.R. Ranganathan School. C.R. Ranganathan School which is in Pune, यही है nearby में हमारे घर के पास. I'm already associated with that NGO and we always donate whenever we get chance. Hello everyone.
Congratulations, Maxi and Mom, to make your book for Wing Your Business. Many so much congratulations.
Thank you, Charu.
Congratulations. I'm waiting for your book.
Thank you, Charu. Thank you.
Thank you.
बोलेंगे
It is a right step in right direction, and I hope that you will be one of the writers in India. At least we can hope for that, because you have learned a lot of lessons, and it was also one of the incredible experience of mine itself, because I have never done this job, And while going through the books, I personally learned a lot. And it is really a proud moment. It is really a proud moment for all of us. I think in our family, nobody has written a book so far, and we have not heard of any author from our family, either in Lord's family or in our parental family. That's why it is really a proud moment for all of us. At least we can boast of that we have an author in our family, and it's a mean achievement. It can be regarded as, we can say, a Himalayan task it was, and you scaled it high, and you reached to the summit of the Himalayas. That's it. Many congratulations from my side.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you. And now from Saroj.
Yeah, so first of all, I would like to congratulate Arpu and Archana Didi for writing this book. First of all, having idea to write this book, and especially talking about Arpu, I've seen she has achieved a lot while this process of writing the book. She has learned quite a few things, which I hope she surely will utilize further in her professional life. And all the very best. And finally, all her effort for the last couple of months, her sleepless nights, day in and day out, so that is bearing fruit. And all the very best to you both.
Oh, thank you so much.
We all are very happy. Congratulations आपका book launch होने के लिए.
Thank you, Bhabhi. Thank you.
All the
Thank you, Bhabhi. Thank you. अब मम्मी
अच्छा लगे थे मेरी बेटी रात भर जाके 3:30 बजे 4 बजे 2:30 बजे बुक लिख के बहुत खुश है मैं.
Congratulations to Arpana and Archana for book.
Thank you,
This is
Bhaiya.
very proud moment for our family.
Oh, thank
I
you.
am proud of. I am waiting for your book
Oh,
on online or by post.
oh, thank you.
Arpana ji,
Yes,
Gulzar
please,
here.
please.
Yes, wish you very congratulations from my side and from my family. Keep writing such books,
Thank
and wish you very all the best for your future book writing and all. And you should definitely become a good author in future.
Thank you so much.
Just one thought came in my mind. How this name came in your mind? Wing your business, like it's totally different.
Oh, amazing. Thanks a lot. See, I'll give this credit to my eldest brother, because when I have written book, तो बहुत सारे name थे जो it was just moving in my mind. I was not able to decide क्या रखूँ. फिर उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि ये मुझे सजेस्ट किया, and I liked it most. उन्होंने बहुत सारे सजेस्ट किए थे, 2 more, but I liked it very most. And then what it has resonated me. I had thought to write a book, and then I gave wings to my thoughts. So I wrote and completed my book. So why not to wing the business? जो भी entrepreneur है, budding entrepreneur है, उनको एक wing दिया जाए, so that they can make it success. They can reach that success to that height what they deserve. Because being an entrepreneur is not very easy task. I am also in this journey. Yes, please. Archana.
Thanks, Arpana.
Thank you.
Arpana. We are very happy for you. And thank you very much for giving me such opportunity to be a co-author. And I'm always there with you. We are really very happy.
Thank you.
And thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations, Aparna. Congratulations. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
You want to say something?
Thank you so much, sir. Sriman, sir, he has joined us from, sir, Andhra Pradesh, right, sir?
Yes, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. He is associated with the trainer camp, जहाँ almost 4 million people are there. 4 to 5 million followers are there. और बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एंड ट्रेनर्स वहाँ ज्वाइन हुए हैं. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू हिम, जिन्होंने मुझे भी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है to come there and I can give any session, any value-added session. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Really, I appreciate. I'm grateful to you.
Please share the number.
Yes, sir. I will.
Please share the price and number to me.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I will take it.
Yes. My daughter wants to speak anything. Please allow her to speak.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
Hi. Bolo beta.
Yes, tell me. Jod se. All the best. He wants to tell me
all the best.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate your support, both daughter and yourself and Maji.
Yes.
Namaskar.
Yes. Sir, she is very happy क्योंकि मेरे जो father थे, he is not here. He must be sharing his blessings from heaven.
Yes.
So he was avid book reader. मतलब वो book lover थे. उनका dream था कि एक library बनाना. तो आई एम श्योर कि ये क्वालिटी या फिर जो भी है बुक का जो लव है ये मुझे उनसे ही आया. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव डेडिकेटेड माय दिस बुक टू माय फादर क्योंकि ही मस्ट बी वेरी हैप्पी लाइक फ्रॉम देयर. थैंक यू सो मच. Yes, if anyone want to wish me, please wish me.
Hi Arpana, this is Sagar here.
Yes,
and wish you very congratulations for this book. Kindly we are eagerly waiting for this book, for your book. So kindly share the link of Amazon or whatever you have so that we can purchase, and we are waiting to have a selfie with your book.
Oh yes, please. I will wait for the selfie. अगर कोई भी बुक पढ़ रहे हैं, and I love to get feedback also. या तो positive या तो negative. अगर positive है तो I will be happy कि मैं कुछ value addition कर रही हूँ. अगर नेगेटिव भी है तो दिस विल हेल्प मी टू गेट अपडेटेड इन माय नेक्स्ट एडिशन. तो अगर कुछ भी लगता है आपको पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव फीडबैक, प्लीज डू शेयर विद मी.
डेफिनेटली.
थैंक यू सो मच.
एनीवन? हेलो मैम.
हेलो मैम.
हेलो विद्या राणा हियर.
यस मैम.
हार्टी कांग्रेचुलेशंस मैम.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू मैम कि आप वहां से ज्वाइन किए, डायलिसिस सेंटर से आप ज्वाइन किए. आपके ड्रेस देखकर मुझे पता चल रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच. ये आपका वैल्यूएबल टाइम बहुत ज्यादा. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट. ग्रेटिट्यूड मैम, रियल ग्रेटिट्यूड.
अभी भी मैं वही काम कर रही हूँ.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू सो मच.
काम शुरू है.
Congratulations Arpana, we are very happy for you and all the best. और it is such a proud moment for us कि you are writing a book and you have completed it very बहुत ही डेडिकेटेड तरीके से तुमने कंप्लीट किया है. तो इट्स रियली प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर अस कि विद्यार्थी फैमिली की तरफ से तुमने हमारा कहते हैं ना नाम रोशन किया है.
थैंक यू सो मच भाभी.
ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड हम अच्छा प्रेयर करेंगे कि बहुत ही अच्छा तुम्हारा सक्सेस रहे ये.
थैंक यू भाभी. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. आई एम रियली ब्लेस्ड टू हैव अ फैमिली. इधर मेरा मायके फैमिली या फिर ससुराल फैमिली. आई एम रियली ब्लेस्ड टू हैव द पीपल लाइक यू. Hey Parvati, please say something because when I had a thought of writing the book, first I had shared with Parvati only, and she has supported me. She has boosted me. Yes, you can write. Even when I had started writing, मैं first जब chapter भी लिखी थी तो I had told Parvati, I shared with her कि I'm not able to write it. तो जो उन्होंने confidence boost किया, thank you so much Parvati, thank you so much. So please tell anything or say few words or just say best.
Wish you the very best, but then I couldn't like help you with review or anything.
That is not lack of time. The confidence देना and the boost करना and the motivate करना, really I'm really grateful.
But then I'm really proud of you. You have done such a great thing and like you have kept yourself motivated. I'm really proud.
वगैरह क्या है ना.
Thank you so much Parvati. Thank you.
आणि एक सॅम्पल घेऊन जाते तो.
हेलो.
हेलो.
यस प्लीज. आवाज नहीं आ रही.
हेलो.
हेलो. हाँ रानी बोलिए ना. थैंक यू रानी. थैंक यू सो मच. आकाश जी कहाँ है? आकाश जी
बुक का लिंक कब मिल रहा है हमें?
लिंक मैं अभी शेयर कर रही हूँ, आप प्लीज अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए अगर किन्हीं को हेल्प हो सकता है या जो भी. आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग इट नाउ.
I only want to say that many congratulations to both of you. And we have seen how you were writing started and rest everything, they all fallen in line. So it is a great achievement, and best wishes for again the new books will be coming soon, again new thoughts and new processes with the new upliftment of the life as well.
Thank you so much. Really thank you so much. Manoj sir, oh my god, I just saw you sir. Thank you so much sir for joining. Thank you so much. It was not expected.
Many congratulations,
Thank
both
you.
of you.
Thank you sir, thank you.
Such a great cause, I must say. Hi.
My mom and Masi, thank you so nice, and I just wanted to see how you were making the book of Wing of Business, and very congratulations. Thank you.
So thank you so much Rashi. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone for your valuable time.